Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And here we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar right here, just above the shutter button, where we've got the timer. It is the first option from the left. So let's simply tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let's tap on 10 seconds delay, it will be immediately applied. You can see that the icon changed slightly, so let's tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay. We can always turn it off just by tapping on this off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.